Self-esteem is a component of our personality which makes us feel good about who we are and what we do. It instills self-confidence. If we feel good about ourselves, naturally, we will be able to perform better in all areas of our life. Let's understand performance through two aspects. One is star space performance, and the other is performance in front of others in social interactions between our interpersonal relationships. When we feel good about ourselves, we will be able to do better at the task delegated to us. We will feel confident, and at the same time, we will be able to believe in our own abilities and capabilities to do that task. At the same time, when we are part of a team at work, having self-confidence and self-esteem helps us take feedback in a more humble manner, take criticism in a constructive manner, not to get offended, not to feel attacked, and at the same time to be able to absorb it to better our own skill set. It is also important to understand healthy self-esteem. We interact with others more positively. We have better regulation of our thoughts and emotions. We respond mindfully rather than reacting, and modeling healthy self-esteem can help others improve their self-esteem. Self-esteem promotes strong self-worth, generates motivation to do well and to help others. Self-esteem promotes a healthy sense of identity and contributes to overall well-being. No wonder high self-esteem becomes the recipe for creating stronger and productive personality at both work and in your personal life.